The FITT principle stands for frequency, intensity, time, and type. Now, this answers the question that I probably get asked most, which is how often, how heavy, how many reps, how many sets, how long should my workouts be, what type of exercise should I be doing? So if we start with frequency, which is essentially how many days should you do. Now, if you're doing a strength training workout 3 to 4 times a week, you can still do it 3 to 4 times a week. You may just want to reduce the intensity of the workout or the time of the workout, the duration of it. Because it's not about doing less in all of them. You can, if you've identified that working out 4 times a week triggers your back, then do 3. If you've worked out that doing heavy strength training 4 times a week triggers your back, then drop the weight by 20%. If you're in there for 2 hours, then drop the workout to 60 minutes. With regards to strength training, all of this doesn't need to be reduced. You can still maintain a good level of strength training as long as what's triggering the pain has been identified. Because you just change that one variable, because you've got frequency as a variable, you've got intensity as a variable, you've got the time of the workout as a variable, and you've got the type of exercises that you're choosing as a variable. If you can understand which one is doing it, you just reduce that one. So you reduce the frequency, you reduce the intensity, you reduce the time of the workout, or you reduce the amount of exercises that you're doing or the type of exercises that you're doing. So it is an open-ended question. How long is a piece of string? So if you can identify which one is the problem, you can identify which one to reduce. And then over time, which is what we'll start talking about in part 2, is then how we go about rebuilding that. But again, you can find out more about this in the newsletter, which is free, or the educational course, which you can get to by clicking one of the links below. So what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about strength training after lower back pain.